In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can hide likes here on Instagram. Before we do dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. In this video, we're going over two methods. The first method is how you can hide likes from other accounts' posts, and then the second method is going to be for your own post. So make sure you watch all the way through the video. Now for the first method, you're going to want to go ahead and go to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner and then select the three lines up in the very top right. From here, go ahead and scroll down until you find the section that does say hide likes and share counts. This is going to be this section right here with the likes and share counts under the what you see category selected. And what you're going to want to do here is just toggle this on, and likes are going to be hidden across Instagram. Now, if you want to go ahead and hide likes on your own post, you're going to want to back out and go just directly to your profile and just open up whatever post you'd like to hide the likes for. So in this case, let's say it is this one right here. What you're going to want to do is actually just tap the three dots up in the top right corner of that post alone, and then select hide like count just like so. From here, it's going to individually hide the like count for that specific post. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.